A class has 40 students. Given that 75% of them passed a mathematics test, calculate the number of students who failed the test. 40 students equals 100%. 75% of students are pass. 25% would be failed. We are going to find the number of failed students. If there are 40 students total, so 50% would be 20. And 25% would be 10. Its mean number of failed students are 10. Numerically, number of failed students equals 25% of 40. 25 out of 100 times 40. 25 into 1 equals 25. 25 into 4 equals 100. 1 out of 4 times 40. 4 into 1 equals 4. 4 into 10 equals 40. Number of failed students are 10.